Hey everybody, Quick Draw here, and I decided I'd come out and try to do these fields between thunderstorms. We've had really bad thunder and lightning storms and tornadoes for the last 2 days. Um, Down through Nebraska, they got hammered with double tornadoes, and I just hope everybody down there is keeping an eye on the sky. And I didn't know if I was going to get out today or not, but I'm going to work on these fields here and see what I can find. I'm not very far from the arena where I've been finding quite a bit of stuff. In fact, the arena's right here. So I'm just across the 2-track, and then after I hunt here for a little bit, I'm going to catch the train and ride it back into town where my truck's parked. So stay tuned. Okay, I've been here for probably an hour, and I've found a nickel and a bunch of other little things that I'll show in my roundup. This is a little tag I just dug up, Body by Fisher. Now, Fisher Body is in Grand Blanc, Michigan, and that plant is no longer in business anymore. I believe there's something else in that building. I'll look this up and find out if this is off a carriage or what it's off of. So nice little find. That ought to clean up pretty nice. So on to the next. Well, I'm getting ready to get rained on. It is raining, but this is something that I've never seen before. It's on the back. I can see Citizens, Court Street, and part of the city that I live in. So this is an old bank. This bank is no longer. It sold out to Bank One, I believe, but it looks like there's a penny in there, and I don't know how old this is. That could be a memorial penny, or it could be a wheat penny. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to open it right now. I'm going to take it home and clean it up and find out when they might have handed these out. I think they were like they do nowadays at the bank. They give you an uncirculated penny. So it was down probably 3.5, 4 inches. So yeah, this is very cool. Getting rained on, so I got to go find a place to get out of the rain. So stay tuned. Well, I ducked in out of the rain. I'm in the horse stalls right now, and here's that little arena that I've had some pretty good luck on. Was working on the fields out that way, but it is, I don't know if you can see the rain coming down, but I'm ducked up inside these horse stalls right for the moment. So let's take a walk through the horse stalls. I would see if there's anything down in here, but they put clay in here. So this ground is like very hard with all the clay. So as soon as this rain stops, I'll get back to the hunt. So we'll yeah, here's that little arena right here. So stay tuned. Well, this rain's not going to stop. It just keeps coming down and leaving and coming down and leaving. So I figure I'd try this little horse arena again, because the horse stalls I'm hiding in is right there. So until my ride shows up, I'm going to work on this horse arena and see if I can find anything good. But I decided to cut across this arena, and the very first signal that I came upon was right here, and it's pretty cool. It is a little bit of bling. Got some stones in it and some silver work around the sides. It has a little letter right there with a circle around it. So and it's not rusty, so it could be silver plate or could be silver, but that's cool. I'm going to stay here for a little while and see what else I can find here in this little arena. So stay tuned. Well, my next find is looks like a little copper bracelet. It was bent right here, and I opened it up. It's got some design on it. It was bent there. It looks like it might have had something right here on the top, and it's got it's a little ornate, but yep, little copper bracelet. Go with about the other 6 or 7 that I found. Okay, it's thundering really good. I think I'm going to head towards my ride, and I'll do a roundup when I get home. So stay. Well, here's my ride. Man, right on time. Right on time. I think he's going to pull over here in a minute so I can jump on.
And ladies and gentlemen, there are only 2 left in the world. Only 2! And she's so famous, she has her own song. That's right. They made a song.
Yeah, they're going to pull over any minute now. Well, there goes my ride. It looks like I'm walking. Oh well. Back to the hunt. Well, everybody, I got home and just ended up running me a little rabbit out of my garden, so it's coming up. So this rain sure is helping. But here's my roundup. Not a lot, but I didn't get to spend too much time out there today, so I'll go through this pretty quickly. Got a couple can tabs. This is mason jar lids. Each one of these is a dig. Aluminum bottle caps. Piece of blue glass, leather, saddle tack. I have no idea. Got a spoon, 2 spoon heads. There's 3 knives. Makes 4 knives. This is a case knife I can read. Bunch of lamp parts, golf ball. Dug this little bottle up. I don't know what that is in there. Well, I dug up the lid, but I think one of these is a lid to it. But throw that in my pouch. Piece of copper, piece of aluminum, piece of copper. Little copper bracelet, a copper band, kind of. And it's Fisher by Body, or Body by Fisher. It was founded in 1908 here in Ohio, came to Detroit. By 1910, they were doing the bodies, closed bodies for Cadillac and Buick. And then they went on to other things. During the war, it was making airplanes, tanks. They did some business for Chalmers, Ford, Studebaker, and a few others. And then it was a metal stamping company till they went out of business in 2010. This right here, I haven't got to see what was in there yet. I will though. I'm going to try to see what kind of penny that is without opening it up. And this piece right here is pretty cool. There's probably just I don't know if that's saddle tack or what that is. Pretty cool. And I found a nickel. I found a nickel. So that was it. That's my roundup. Thunderstorms. So everybody take care. Stay safe. Happy hunting. And we'll talk to you later.